Hi guys, super excited because this is gonna be your first video quiz. Woo! So you have been doing such a great job in class. You have been building words and writing words and echoing sounds and echoing words. It's just been fantastic. So in class, remember we took that practice quiz. It was something we just wrote down on our desks with the whiteboard markers. So now what you're going to do is take a video quiz. So let's see what you've learned about just some of the reviews of the letter sounds and the digraphs and the digraph blends and the blends. You guys have just been on fire. So here we go. Your first sound is k, echo, k. What I would like you to do is I would like you to type all of the letters that can make that sound. Remember, it was 3. All right, good luck. Okay, so let's see. Did you get C, K, and CK? If you didn't, that's okay. All right, we're still learning and remembering. If you did, fantastic. Okay, let's see what our next one is. Your next sound is ch, echo, ch. Go ahead, see what digraph makes that sound. If you answered CH, you are correct. All right, here comes our next one. Echo, That was the letter E. All right, now what we're going to do is we are going to move on to some words, okay? So we're going to start off with real words first. Your first word is dash. Echo, dash. Now, this word may have come easily to you and you answered it right away. It's not a problem. But just remember, if you do need to tap out any words to help you with any sounds as we go, don't forget that tapping out the word is something we practiced as well. So it would be like this. D-a-sh, dash. So let's see. D-a-sh, dash. Okay? All right, let's try our next word. Our next word is neck. Echo, neck. Here's the word neck. N-e-k, neck. Your next word has a digraph blend. The word is bunch. Echo, bunch. Here's the word bunch. B-a-n-ch. Remember that N and CH, that's your digraph blend. This is the digraph, and this is the letter that is blending with it. Remember, we were making this sound. We were saying nch, 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 right? But it's a digraph blend because you can actually separate this N from the CH. Nch, okay? So the N is actually blending with the CH. All righty. Your next word is thud. Echo, thud. Here's the word thud. What is the digraph in the word thud? If you answered TH, you are correct. TH says, remember, it's 2 letters that make one sound. We cannot separate the sounds. We would have to say t, and t does not say when put together, okay? So remember, it's 2 letters that make their own sound. Alrighty, let's go to our next one. Your next word is chick. Echo, chick. Here's the word chick. Ch-ick, chick. Can you please tell me what the 2 digraphs are in this word? All right, guys, it was CH and CK. Remember, digraphs are 2 letters that make one sound. Ch and k. Your next word is shrug. Echo, shrug. Here's the word shrug. What is the digraph blend in the word shrug? What letters are in the digraph blend? Here is the digraph, and here is the letter or consonant that is actually blending. Together, they're saying sure, all right? Sure. But I could separate this letter R from the SH, which is making this be a blend. So watch. Sure. Okay? All right. Let's try our next one. Oh, we are now going to nonsense words. Alert. All right? Nonsense words coming your way. Here they come. Your first nonsense word, tis. Echo, tis. All right, there's tis. Tis. Your next nonsense word is shog. Echo, shog. Shog. Okay. Your next nonsense word is jup. Echo, jup. Jup. And your last nonsense word, vac. Echo, vac. Vac. There you have it. All right, very nice job with the first parts of your quiz here for today. And let's go to some phrases. Okay, so remember, phrases for this quiz, they tend to be 3 words. Let me just check. There we go. Yeah, about 3 words. Remember, they are not complete sentences. You're not going to start with a capital letter. You're not going to end with a period. All right, here comes your first phrase. Was a rash. Echo, was a rash. All right, guys, here it is. Was a rash. Okay, let's try another one. Your next one is are in shock. Echo, are in shock. There we go. Are in shock. Double check, see how you did. And your last phrase is, did they quit? Echo, did they quit? And there you have it, guys. Did they quit? All right. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to try a sentence. Remember, we talked about how it's okay if you aren't able to get the entire sentence whenever I read it to you. Now, of course, with this video quiz, you probably could go back and listen to it a few times. So that might be a little bit different than the way we did it in class. But depending on how this works, if you aren't able to listen to it a few times, that's okay. You're going to just get as many words as you can. So remember, we talked about if you get 2 words this week, 3 words next week, 5 the next week, we just want to see you being able to write down more words each time you go. But if you're able to get them all, or you can rewind this video, then you know what? That's fantastic. So let's see what we have. Here's your sentence. Did he eat lunch on the ship? Echo. Did he eat lunch on the ship? All right, guys, there you go. Did he eat lunch on the ship? Can you please identify how many digraphs you see in the whole entire sentence? Did you find them all? Ooh. Hey, where's a digraph blend? All right, if you identified that the N, and the CH are the digraph blend, good for you. Remember, okay? Yeah. Thank you so much for finishing my video quiz and your first video quiz with me. So again, thanks for all of your hard work in class and thanks for all of your hard work remotely. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. See you soon.